Assalamualaikum students. I am Afshin Ishtiaq, your online teacher for the subject of chemistry. Dear students, today we are going to start our lecture number 16 and today's topic of discussion is type of molecules from page number 16 of your chapter number 1. Dear students, before discussing the type of molecule, we will take a little review about molecules. Molecules are combination of atoms. Molecules are formed when atoms combine together, they will form a molecule. Molecules are the simplest unit of a substance of a chemical species. Molecules are simplest substance. They can exist independently. They can show the properties of that compound in which they exist. So, molecules are the smallest particle. They are the combination of atoms and they can exist independently. They can show the properties of that compound. Molecules are always neutral. They carry no charge. If any molecule carry any charge, they will become molecular ions. So there is a clear difference between molecule and molecular ion. Molecules are that species which are formed by the combination of atoms, and molecular ions are those species which are formed by the combination of ions. So there is a clear difference between molecules and molecular ions. Now we are discussing about molecules and its types. Molecules are the smallest particle of an element or compound. Molecules are always neutral. Molecules are formed by the combination of atoms and molecules are always stable. They have no capability or ability to combine with others because they are already stable. So there is no need for them to combine with other elements or molecules because they are stable species. Molecules are of different types. Now we are discussing the types of molecules. So there are different type of molecules depending upon the type of atoms which are present in them. They contains different type of atoms. They may carry only one atom, two atom, three atom or so many atoms, so they can become polyatomic. So depending upon the type of atom, molecules are divided into different types. They may be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, polyatomic. So first type is monoatomic. Monoatomic molecules are those molecules if molecules consist of only one atom. A single atom molecule is called as monoatomic. Mono means one. So monoatomic molecules are those molecules which carries only one atom in them is called as monoatomic molecule. For example, inert gases. Inert gases are also called as noble gases, which belongs to group 8 of your periodic table. Noble gases are helium, He, neon, Ne, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. They all are monoatomic because they all are independent. They can exist independently and these molecules only contain one atom of each. So these are called as monoatomic molecules. So noble gases are very stable species. They have no need to react with any other element of the periodic table because they are already stable. They have their complete octet. Their atoms are complete. So they have no tendency, no desire to react with any other element. So these are called as noble gases. All the noble gases of the periodic table, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, they start from helium, He, to and ends to radon, Rn. These are all noble gases and they contain all one atoms. So these are called as monoatomic molecules. We have discussed its first type and which was monoatomic molecules and its examples. Next one is diatomic molecules. Di means two. Di means two. So if a molecule consists of two atoms, the molecules that contains two atoms in them, they are called as diatomic molecules. For example, hydrogen, H2. H2 contains two atoms of hydrogen. They contain same atoms, but the number of atoms is 2. So these are called as diatomic molecules. For example, oxygen O2. Oxygen O2 has 2 atoms of oxygen. Hydrogen H2 has 2 atoms of hydrogen. Chlorine Cl2 contains 2 atoms of chlorine Cl, and hydrogen chloride is also an example of diatomic molecules HCl. So these are the different types of diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules is called diatomic because of the presence of 2 atoms in them. So these are called as diatomic molecules. We have discussed if any molecule contains 1 atom, they are called as monatomic. If any molecule consists of 2 atoms, they are called as diatomic molecule. And if a molecule contains 3 atoms in it, it will be called as triatomic molecules. Tri means 3. So triatomic molecules means they contain 3 atoms in them. That's why they are called as triatomic molecules. For example, water, the common example, water H2O. H2O contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So 2 plus 1, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, it will combines to form 3 atoms respectively. So water is a triatomic molecule because it contains 3 atoms in it. Similarly, carbon dioxide is also a triatomic molecule. It contains 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. So 2 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of carbon makes 3 atoms in it. So it will be called as triatomic molecule. We have discussed 3 types: monatomic, diatomic and triatomic. Mono means 1. If a molecule contains 1 atom, it will be called as monatomic. Diatomic, if a molecule contains 2 atoms, it will be called as diatomic. Triatomic, if a molecule contains 3 atoms in it, it will be called as triatomic molecules. And if a molecule contains many atoms in it, it will be called as polyatomic. Poly means many. So if any molecule contains too many number of atoms in it, it will be called as polyatomic molecules. For example, methane CH4. Methane CH4 contains 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen. It means it contains 5 atoms in methanes. So it is called as polyatomic molecule. Similarly, sulfuric acid H2SO4, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. They will form 7 atoms. So it is a polyatomic molecule. And glucose. Glucose, the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. It contains 6 carbon of carbon, 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen. So it is also called as polyatomic molecules because it contains a variety of atoms in it. So these were the different types of molecules depending upon the number of atoms present in it. On the basis of presence of number of atoms, we have classified molecule into different types, and these types were monatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic molecules. We also have discussed their different types. Now we will discuss the classification or types of molecule on the basis of presence of type of atoms. Some molecules contain same type of atoms and other molecules contains different type of atoms. So depending upon the types of atoms, there are also 2 type of molecules, homoatomic and heteroatomic. As the name indicates, homo means same and hetero means different. If a molecule contains same type of atom, it is called as homoatomic molecules. For example, diatomic molecules like hydrogen H2, oxygen O2, sulfur S8. Sulfur S8 contains same 8 type of atoms in it. So it is a homoatomic molecule. Phosphorus P4, it is also a homoatomic molecule. So if any molecule contains same type of atoms, it will be called as homoatomic molecules. But If any molecule is a combination of different type of atoms, it will be called as heteroatomic molecules. Hetero means different. So if any molecule contains different type of atoms in it, it will be called as heteroatomic molecules. For example, water, which is also a triatomic molecule, H2O, it contains two different type of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. So it is called as heteroatomic molecule. Likewise, ammonia, NH3, it contains one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen. It is also a heteroatomic molecule. Likewise, hydrogen chloride, HCl, it contains two different type of atoms, hydrogen and chlorine. It is also a heteroatomic molecule. So depending upon the type of atoms, there were two types, homo and heteroatomic molecules. These were डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो आपकी जो असाइनमेंट है उनके क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 to 24 उसको आपने इस टॉपिक के लिए कवर कर लेना. थैंक यू.